Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today we're tackling how to fix that frustrating unable to connect to this network error on your Windows 11. It's a common hiccup, but this should be a pretty straightforward process to resolve. Let's jump right in and get you back online. First, let's fly through some network settings. Open the search menu, click that magnifying glass on your taskbar and type CMD. When command prompt shows up, right-click it and pick Run as Administrator. If a user account control prompt pops up, hit Yes. In the command window, type ipconfig/flush DNS. That's one word after the space and /, then press Enter. As a result, you should see successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Next, type netsh winsock reset, that's netsh space winsock space reset, all lowercase, no extra spaces. Hit Enter again. This time the result will say successfully reset the Winsock catalog. Note that you need to restart. Close the window, save any open work, and reboot your computer. Click the Start menu, select Restart, and give it a minute to come back. Then try connecting to your network. Still no luck? Let's reset everything to default. Heads up, if you're on Wi-Fi, grab your credentials, password, and all since you will need them. Back to the search menu, type Settings. When it pops up, click to open it. On the left, choose Network and Internet. Then on the right, scroll down and click Advanced Network Settings. Under More Settings, find Network Reset. It warns this will wipe and reinstall all network adapters, resetting everything to factory defaults. You might need to reinstall VPNs or similar software later. Click Reset Now, and when it asks, "Are you sure?" hit Yes. Your PC will restart in a few moments, so close any open apps first. After it boots back, reconnect to your Wi-Fi and enter your password if needed. And lastly, check if it's working. That's it, folks. With the DNS flush, Winsock reset, and full network reset if necessary, your connection should be solid. If this got you online, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fixes. Catch you next tutorial. Stay connected.